provide a home to millions of plant and animal species. Many of them still unknown to science. New species are discovered every single year. This incredible biodiversity is a testament to the rainforest's power and complexity. Scientists believe that the Amazon may hold the key to new medicines. It could also be home to undiscovered food sources. This knowledge, it could benefit humanity for generations to come. However, this treasure trove of life is under threat. The Amazon teems with life. Monkeys swing through the canopy. Jaguars stalk the forest floor. Colorful macaws flit through the trees. The Amazon is a symphony of sounds and colors. It's a place of constant movement and change. But the rainforest is also home to creatures of danger. The anaconda, the world's largest snake, can grow to over 5 meters long. Piranhas, with their razor-sharp teeth, patrol the murky waters. Poison dart frogs, with their brilliant colors, warn of deadly toxins. Yet these creatures are not monsters. They are simply part of the delicate balance of life in the Amazon. The rainforest will reveal its hidden treasures. The Amazon is under threat. Deforestation is tearing away at its heart. Ranchers clear land for cattle. Loggers fell ancient trees. Farmers plant crops that deplete the soil. This destruction has devastating consequences. Species are losing their homes. The delicate balance of the ecosystem is disrupted. The Amazon's ability to regulate the climate is weakened. We are all connected to the rainforest. When it suffers, we all suffer. But there is hope. People are working to protect the Amazon. Indigenous communities are fighting for their land. Conservationists are working to create protected areas. Scientists are studying the rainforest to better understand how to preserve it. We must all become guardians of the Amazon. Its future is our future. Let us ensure that the Amazon, this magnificent rainforest, continues to thrive for generations to come. Let future generations explore its wonders and be inspired by its beauty. The Amazon is a gift. Let us cherish and protect it. Please like, share and subscribe so I have the motivation to make more great videos.